Welcome to Digital Toolbox. This is part 7 of the Farnsworth House case study, and we're going to do the back end here, the back windows. So I need this part of this curve here. We can either explode the curve or redraw this line. And I'm just going to zoom in and go from corner to corner, and then select that curve, and I'm going to move it out. And then I want to divide this curve into 3 segments because we have 3 panes. So type in divide, 3 for number of segments, so it divides in 3 segments. And then I want to extrude or extend this curve by 1 inch on both sides or both ends. So to do that, type in extend. It will ask for a boundary object to extend to or an extension length. We want to extend it by 1 inch. Select the curve, which is that curve, and I'll extend it by 1 inch. And I want to do this again with the top end. So just select it again, and it'll extend by 1 inch. And then press escape to exit the command. And I'm going to delete the 2 endpoints here. So when I snap on, I know I won't snap onto the wrong point. Take the rectangle tool, and I'm going to type in 9 feet 6 inches. Snap to that point. I'm going to hover over these points so there'll always be 9 feet 6 inches. Right-clicking again will activate the command again. So there's our pane, our 3 panes. And now I'm going to offset the panes by 1 inch. And then offset again by 1/2 inch, just like we did with the other windows. And now if we select the 2 most outside curves, all of them, we're going to extrude them all at once by 2 inches. And then selecting the second set of curves, we can extrude now 3 inches. Selecting the innermost curve to create our pane. Extrude curve 0.25 of 1 inch. Go into perspective now. Select my panes. Find the midpoint, move it up to the midpoint. Select my outside frames. By holding down Shift. And then I'm going to type in move. It's not a good view. So I'm going to realign this. Type in move. Click yes on vertical. So now everything's aligned in the center. Select all the solids, and I'm going to move it to the window layer. I'm going to group them all. And then I'm going to rotate them in the front view. And then I'm going to move it so it's in the same plane. And then I'm going to type move again, and I'm going to move it to this corner to this corner. 2 corners should meet, and to make sure everything is good, I'm going to go into my top view. Something didn't get transferred over, so I'm just gonna layer everything over to the window layer. Everything matches up, so that's how you create the back window, or the back windows, or glass walls. And the next tutorial we'll do is we'll create the entrance, and it's going to be the similar way, or we're going to do it the same way. and thanks for watching.